Good evening. Welcome again in SNS FOODS Kitchen. I'm a chief of the kitchen, Krzysztof Salwach. Today we have a day with the Chinese food. We will prepare some dish from our beef stripes. It's a meat from the beef rump, which we cut on the 1 centimeters, 5 centimeters long. It can be from rump, it can be from silver side, it can be done also from the neck, from shoulder. This is from young bull, it's frozen, it's IQF. We can do it also from pork collar, we can do it from pork shoulder, but from beef it's always, in my opinion, beef is the best meat we can prepare. Okay, let's do it. I will show how to prepare it for you. The meat is frozen, meat is IQF. I'm usually defrozen this meat and then I'm making marinade. Marinade I'm doing for 1-2 hours to the fridge, not for longer. To make a marinade I'm using pepper. I'm using, as always, soya sauce. Also, for beef, I like just a bit of the Worcester sauce. And today, I will use a bit of oyster sauce. It gives us special flavor, typical Chinese. I mix it well, and then I go with the meat for 2 hours to the fridge, only the meat. I'm staying outside. Okay, see you. Here I'm back. The meat is after 2 hours. Now I want to prepare the sauce for this Chinese food. I will start from a bit of garlic. I'm using garlic almost to all dishes I'm preparing. And I will use 1 onion. It's very tasty, very flavored, fresh. Onion I'm not slicing too thin. It has to be a bigger pieces to fill it then in the sauce. Okay, we have it. So the olive oil now I will put on the pan. Oh, perfect. I will add now onions. To onions I'm adding a bit of salt. And now we need just 2-3 minutes. In the meantime, I will prepare also what I will need later. It's a pepper. We will use red and yellow. Okay. We will clean it, slice it on the bigger pieces. I will need it a bit later. Okay, so I have onions and garlic ready. I don't want to burn it because then the taste will not be good. And I'm adding meat. These dishes I'm presenting to you, they're always very fast to prepare. Like we did a 1-minute steak. We are doing now this Chinese food, and it also takes not long time, like a beef stroganoff, like goulash, like things which you have to cook for a few hours. Now I will add this yellow and red pepper. Smells also amazing. When I'm doing Chinese food, I like to make it with a sauce, and the sauce I like when it's creamy, when it's not soft, only when you add, for example, rice, the sauce, combination of the sauce and the rice, it makes nice structure. To have it, I'm using always water, and I'm adding just a 1.5 spoon, small spoon, of potato starch, which I'm mixing. Okay, the sauce is ready. So now I will add potato starch. We added potato starch, and now our sauce has a perfect smell, structure, and it's ready. Okay, I will show you how it looks like now. This is the sauce. Look that it's not too heavy, not too strong. I will show you how it looks on the plate, so you can see that we have a meat, we have vegetables. Perfect. Meat, vegetables, sauce. It's amazing, really. Let's try. It's very simple. It's very easy. You have to develop this dish as you want, to your taste. But this is very simple. It's very easy to be done. Please visit our website, SNS FOODS PL. Visit our YouTube. If you like it, like it. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe our YouTube. And I will see you soon with some next dishes. It's so good that I have to try it. Thank you, have a nice time, and see you soon. Bye.